The Wahl Travel Foil Shaver, full review. Is this the best budget foil shaver? It has a premium build, but does it deliver? Let's put it to the test. Today we're doing a full review of the Wahl Travel Foil Shaver, a compact grooming tool that claims to deliver big results on a budget. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Why I bought the Wahl Travel Shaver. My old rotary shaver wasn't giving me the close shave I wanted and felt less efficient overall, so it was time to get a new one. I researched different options and discovered that foil shavers offer a smoother and closer cut. The Wahl Travel Foil Shaver stood out for me because of its compact design, reliable performance and budget-friendly price. It's now my go-to for a fast, smooth shave, perfect for travel and everyday use. I bought this from August and this is the box it came in. Right out of the box, the Wahl Travel Foil Shaver feels sleek and lightweight. It's clearly designed with portability in mind, perfect for tossing into your travel bag or gym kit. You get a protective cap, a cleaning brush and a charger included. So it comes with a nicely designed tin and a set of instructions. Inside the tin, the foil shaver is stored in this black pouch. Along with this, you get a 2-pin shaver cable, a spur cutting blade and foil guard, and a cleaning brush. As mentioned, the shaver is impressively lightweight and has a protective cap. The shaver fits comfortably in your hand and has a sleek and compact design with a charging indicator that turns green. Now let's talk features. The Wahl Travel Foil Shaver comes with a single foil shaving system and delivers a cutting length of just 0.1mm, which is great for a super close finish. It's rechargeable, offers up to 45 minutes runtime and is easy to clean. Performance test. I tested it on short stubble and it performed surprisingly well. The motor is quiet and it glides smoothly across the skin. It's not built for heavy duty grooming, but for quick touch-ups it's a winner. Plus its compact design makes it easy to manoeuvre in tight spots and the skin feels smooth and refreshed after the shave. Pros and cons. So what's great about it? It's affordable, compact and delivers precision with its 0.1mm cutting length. Ideal for travel and quick touch-ups. When used on short hair, it gives a smooth, close finish that's surprisingly good for the price. But there are a few downsides. It struggles with thick or long hair, so you'll need to trim it down first to a suitable length before using the foil shaver. Once the hair is short enough, it performs well and gives that clean 0.1mm finish. Also, the green charging light doesn't indicate when the shaver is fully charged. You'll need to time it manually, about 8 hours to reach full capacity. That's something Wahl could definitely improve on. Comparison. Compared to other budget shavers, the Wahl stands out for its portability and price. If you're building a minimalist grooming kit, this one is a solid pick. Final verdict. Overall, the Wahl Travel Foil Shaver is great value for under £30. It's ideal for travellers, light groomers, or anybody looking for a backup shaver. I'd definitely recommend it for budget-conscious buyers. Conclusion. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality. This Wahl Travel Shaver delivers a notably closer shave than my rotary shaver and has really exceeded my expectations. Be aware though that if you've got dense facial hair or longer growth, pre-trimming helps the shaver perform at its best. So if you're looking for a reliable and affordable foil shaver that's perfect for daily use and travel, this one's a solid choice I'd confidently recommend.